It is Saturday. It is 10 o'clock. I'm at Diablo Lake. And here's how you know. Because of that crystal blue-green water and amazing mountains in the back. So, I've never kayaked or been on the lake, so we're going to test out the little kayak, get some drone action, have a great morning. This is pretty cool. Have a great Saturday. I'm going to go paddle on some glass. Is that a sandy beach? No shit. No way. Are you kidding me? That's amazing. This is amazing. Okay, so I just rolled up on this beach here and there's like sand right here. This is amazing. I'm gonna hang out here and launch the drone and get some video of that. That is super cool. And then there's a mountain behind us over there too. But what a spot to chill for a little bit. Perfect little beach. Dope. This is what a smart guy does right here. Life jacket engaged. And then you soak repeatedly. It's like a Wim Hof bath. Let's go. Hey, yeah. Oh boy. Now it's getting out. Oh yeah. That's the shit right there.